Now everybody thought that Vijay is going to be instrumental in making inroads as far as Tamil Nadu politics is concerned. But who could have imagined the kind of result that has come TVK's way? They are well beyond the 100 mark as far as leads are concerned and consolidating it. DMK is a second, AIADMK is a third. Certainly this is not just a vote for an alternative against Dravidian parties in Tamil Nadu, but also an anti-incumbency vote against the DMK going basically in the kitty of TVK and not so much for the AIADMK. How do we say that? Because Kolathur seat, which is a stronghold of the DMK, Chennai seats, which are a stronghold of the DMK, MK Stalin, the sitting chief minister, the incumbent chief minister losing from Kolathur, just goes on to show what was the kind of mood and sentiment on ground. Who could have imagined that MK Stalin could actually lose his seat, something that he had been winning for the past 3 terms. But now the big question is, why is Vijay emerging as not just the alternative to Dravidian parties, but the overwhelming choice for Tamilians to place him in the chief minister's chair? What is it about his politics that worked wonders? Well, one of course is the fact that this was a state primed for some sort of a change that has come in the way of an alternative coming up. The second is, of course, that he did not play in the playbook of either the Dravidian model or of the centre versus state model, which has been perfected in some states, in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala, in West Bengal as well. I think we're seeing a rejection of the incessant centre versus state play out. This is because he stuck to his principles and he kept on saying, I'm going to work against alcoholism, I'm going to work against drugs. He didn't really announce SOPs for women or youth, even though they are his major constituency as is emerging. But yes, this is also the under 40 of the electorate in Tamil Nadu overwhelmingly voting for someone who was new and fresh. Now, whether he lives up to that billing remains to be seen. But certainly, when it comes to the Vijay factor in Tamil Nadu, possibly everyone underplayed it. Well, the public has spoken and it is an unprecedented verdict in Tamil Nadu. Even when you go by former film stars in politics, even in Tamil Nadu, we haven't really seen a party which is just 2 years old, a party that did not really have a lot of cadre or organizational strength, did not even have a lot of candidates to begin with, managing a verdict like this in their very first election. So all eyes on Vijay now. Everybody is waiting to hear from him whether he will even choose to alliance with the party in case he needs it. We'll keep getting you the latest on CNN News 18.